In this video, we find the magic fun button, aka the DSP5 5-position tuner and the super low mileage LBZ. We're installing slip-on rockers, and Parker, the gem, was laying here. He said, "I found your tuner," and I thought he was kidding, but we found the button!
What? It was all the way down. It was all the way, so that would be 1, I think. 2, 3, 4, 5. Because if you're going that way,
We want 5.
I don't know if this is all the way maxed.
Well, we'll try them all and see which rolls coal.
Okay, here, let's go.
We need to finish our job. Got it. Nice view.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, son.
Hello, son. Dang, son! So we are cruising, hopefully not going to be blinded, but going for the actual first drive, knowing about this little magic button. Oh, crunchy!
This was a nice LBZ. I think this is on what it was already on.
Oh, we have some trash. No! Can't let that go. Gotta pull off. Gotta grab it. Don't want to be a litter bug. Cute. Open! Back in. Okay. Will she roll coal? It does not appear to be such. So let's crank it.
That's trans tune.
Okay.
That's probably for towing, honestly. I don't know.
Okay.
Did you turn it all the way up?
I turned it to the right.
Yeah.
All the way.
Yeah.
It was all the way to the left.
Yes.
Which means we're more aggressive, probably, now?
Oh yeah, the trans is gonna be aggressive, I think.
Well, we just need to blow your injectors out kind of tune, and the aggressive trans thing, then we'll have a heyday. Whoa! Is that smoke? Oh! Oh, you gotta film out the back.
Dude, that trans is loving its life right now.
Can you see or is it blurry?
Oh no, you can see perfect. Yo, never. I just can't stand to see.
Oh my gosh. That's the boogie tune. Oh, that's nasty. It sounded like a fighter jet before, but now it's driving like a rocket ship. Oh my gosh. Oh, it wants to kick the back tires out.
I think I've fallen in love.
It doesn't like soot that much. I've had some other vehicles that blow a lot of smoke. This one, not as much, but it does. it had some playtime. It had some fun. But man, is it faster. Oh my gosh. And the RPM went higher as well. The tach went higher. Oh. She just spun. I was rolling, and what about 35? Sheesh. Nuts. Okay, that works. Going about 20, and we'll just spin. Crazy. Are we blowing up a 135k mile LBZ? Okay, so we'll go 10. We'll do a little roll and just... She just wanted to go. Hopefully you liked that video as much as I liked finding that tune. If you did, give the video a like, drop a comment down below, tell me what you thought. If I'm gonna blow out my trans, if I'm gonna blow the engine, place your bets now. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along with this build and many others. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one.